Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share exhibits on Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to click on share and you'll be able to see various options such as presenter mode, screen and window. Presenter mode is basically if you want to present any PPT, let's say, you can add any background if you want to do so. And then we have a screen that will share your entire screen and whatever you will do on the screen will be shown in the presentation. And then we have is window. So you can see I have four windows opened. So here it's written four. Then you can select which window that you want to share and that specific window will be shared only. Now let's say if you want to show Word, PDF or any other sort of file, you can simply open that and share your window or screen. You can also go to chat and then you can simply click on this clip icon over here and attach any file you want to do so. That is another way of sharing your exhibit during a call. So that's basically how you can share exhibits on Microsoft Teams. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.